All right, everybody. We're gonna throw everything we got at this last beaver in here. I think there's only one left. I mean, I'm probably wrong, but I know there's at least one that's missing a toenail, and I have not caught him yet. And I want to catch him before I leave this place, you know. But down there ways, I put a 330 over a bank den yesterday. I'm pretty sure it's a bank den underneath of a tree. Nothing there. And I got another caster mound down there. Nothing there. Sorry about the camera. So I did it complete opposite today. I started down there and come into here where I have caught the majority of them out of here, and I think there's another bank den over there. So I didn't want to start up there and muddy the water. I wanted to be able to come in here and see that other bank den. I brought a 330 in here. Let's see. Over there, let me see if I can get you zoomed into where you can see that other one. Here's where I caught one beaver. This is where I caught the toenail. But right over there, it's hard to see from here. Let me work my way around. I got a blind set I put in here right there because I seen where they come up here and took that off, and that was on the dam. So I put a blind set in there, put this log here, so they only got one way to come up. And then, like I said, came in from down there so I wouldn't muddy the water. It's still kind of muddy for me being over there, but right there, you can barely see the top of the H stand. There's a bank den underneath of there, and let's hope, you know, I don't think I'm gonna catch him in a caster mound, so that's why I put that there. And I came up over here to the dam. Ugh, this is some weird, not weird, but just a pain in the ass walking through here. I told you that before. I just love it every day. But so yeah, I got that caster mound there that has caught one or two beaver. Just make my way through this maze and show you what I got. So here's where I caught that last beaver here in this caster mound right here on the edge of the dam. They brought some stuff up, put it on top of the dam, and left me just enough opening there. Put a blind set there with a number 5, and put a stick right there, so when they come in, they'll bump their belly on it, put their feet down. Got the grounder going out there, and it's deeper water. Right there's that poor lonely 330 Belial that's been there since I started here. I can't believe, I thought for sure before I did anything in this dam that was their crossover. I thought for sure I'd have a beaver in that. So let's hope tomorrow. I mean, I want to really get out of here. I mean, not that so much that I want to get out of here, but I just don't want to be trying to trap one beaver. I got other places to go. I only got a couple weeks to go. But I'd really love to catch this beaver for these guys, for this farmer and property owner over here that's flooding his property. That way I can tell them that I did my best, you know, because I know I can't lie to myself. I can't lie to them. I won't lie to you guys, but I'm not going to leave here. I want to make sure I catch that one that's missing a toenail. Either he left, but I don't think he did. I mean, there's stuff on the dam, so there's a beaver in here, at least one. Probably wrong, there's probably more than one, but they're definitely caster mound shy, I believe. So we're gonna head out of here and go down to the small beaver factory where I caught the 3 small beaver yesterday. See what we got there, and then there's another creek there. I talked to that farmer last night, and there's one right by it that he said is worse than that one. He said that's the one he dropped me 2 pins, but I just thought he dropped the same pin twice. So we're gonna go check that out too. We got another spot to still trap yet. So stay tuned. I'll bring you back when we get down there. Hopefully we got a couple beavers. I hope they're not small. I'd rather see big ones, but just trying to do what I can for these farmers. So stay tuned. Alright. Something's weird here. I just got down here to this other small beaver factory where I caught 3 beaver yesterday. yesterday. The dam is not messed with, but it's like, I don't know if something blew out beside it, below it. This trap, this is where I had a beaver yesterday. A little beaver, here we go. That trap's about, oh, 6-8 inches up out of the water. I see a drowning rod over there, but I don't see the trap. I see a drowning rod here, and that trap is like moved over right there, but it's still set. Caster mount's way up there on the bank. Go down here to these 330s. And there, it's a lot deeper here than it was yesterday. There's nothing in either one of these 330s, but this water wasn't coming through here as much. I don't know what happened to their dam. Something tunneled through there. I got some corn stalks and stuff piled up right there on the dam. I gotta get them out of there. I just don't know what the hell happened. I don't see any disturbance on the dam, but that water's dropped down 6 inches. Let me get this cleaned up. That one over there looks all right. That first caster mound way over there, that trap is missing out of the bed. I couldn't see, the water's murky. There might be a beaver on that one, I don't know. I got to get across here to check this other one. I can't tell on that one either. So let me get a check on those and I'll bring you back. This is just weird. I don't know why this water's coming through here like it is. You know, I mean, it wasn't, something happened to that dam over there on the edge or something, or underneath, I don't know. It raised the water level here and dropped it up there. It's crazy. So let me get these cleaned up and stay tuned. I'll bring you back. If there is a beaver in one of those traps up there, I'll bring you back. Well, this is pretty wild. I don't get it. I think this is where the water, it's like something tunneled through right there. And all that water is going under there. Look at my trap, it's sitting sideways. The bed was right here. Here's the caster mount. I don't know if the water rushing through just moved it over, or something like one of these sticks here come washing down and moved it over, but it's almost like something tunneled through right there. That is so weird. I just don't understand this. Still set. We'll get over to this one. This is absolutely insane. I don't get it. Like I said, you can see that trap over there, way up on the bank. Here's the other one over here I need to get over to. Here's the caster mound. Right here, way up higher than it was. I mean, here's the bank, or the bed. Trap's right there set off. Let's take a look at it. See what's going on. Oh, it's just laying there. I don't know. Don't see no. That's where it's supposed to be. I don't see. There's no toenails or nothing in it. I just don't know what the hell happened here. I still got to get over there to that one and see. I think there might be a beaver in that one. I'm hoping. But geez, these other traps are all out of commission. I don't know if I want to take the chance of resetting them down deeper, because something happened to that dam. I don't know what happened, what burrowed through there. I think I'm going to leave this one for now. I'm not going to reset it right now. I'm just going to put it in the water. That one over there that's way up out of there, I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. But I don't think I'm going to panic or just go about redoing all my beds, because I think if there's any beavers in here, they'll definitely come back and fix this hole in this dam. I don't know what happened. I'm going to see if I can possibly, if I can move this trap right here, and then way if something does come back here to repair it, maybe I'll catch it. I'm going to move that trap. Then I'll take you back over there and we're going to go pull that one up and just see what the hell's going on. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's, Jesus, it's muddy here. There's a casting mount way up here. This is insane, to say the least. Here's where the trap bed was. I mean, the top of the drowning rod's up out of the water. Let me see if I don't know if there's anything in there or not. We're gonna find out. Don't know what the hell happened down there at that dam. That's a big beaver. I mean, not huge. I bet it's 45 pounds. Nice beaver. I just had a loss. I don't know what happened with those other casting mounts, or why the spotter dropped, or what happened to that dam. That's good. That's a nice beaver. I'll take that all day long. Whew. Absolutely. Finally. Decent beaver here. I hope you can see me good enough here. Hard to film by myself, but he's caught. Strong back foot catch on that Bridger number 5. Was not going anywhere. I'll get him out of here. I gotta go back to the Jeep now and get the centers. I didn't reset that other one. I will reset this one somehow, some way. Gotta have some kind of caster mount going on. After I left, I thought I had a pretty good setup. Alright, I'll get this video out to you. At least we caught a beaver today. I gotta get home and I gotta skin those 3 that we caught yesterday. I usually skin them the next day. Hell yeah. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps my channel. It's growing. I want to hit 3,000 subscribers before trapping season's over, and we're really close. Like I said, I promise you it doesn't cost you nothing. Just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to all, and you'll see every time I post a video, it'll notify you. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And then until the next video, good luck with everything.